YouTube. So this morning I'm going to be making pancakes from scratch. So a little background as to why. My daughter, she really loves like pancakes and waffles for breakfast, and so I would always go to the store and get her Eggo waffles, and I was just like, why am I buying all of these Eggo waffles when I can just make them at home and not have to spend as much money? So I looked up a few recipes online, but I didn't really like the ones that I found. Like they didn't taste good. Like either they like just had like no flavor, or they weren't fluffy. And so I was just like, why are you looking up recipes online? And like my grandmother taught me how to make pancakes and waffle mix from scratch when I was little, and I was just like, why didn't you think of that? You're wasting all this time finding all these nasty recipes online, and you already know how to make them. So yeah, today I'm just gonna show you the recipe that she taught me when I was little, and it tastes so good, so I'm excited. Okay, so first what I do is I mix the wet ingredients first. So we're gonna have 2 eggs, 2 eggs, I like to use buttermilk in like everything. It just tastes better. So I don't really measure anything, so it's just like, alright, so I'm gonna use this 1/3 cup measuring cup, and I'm gonna put like 2/3 of the buttermilk, and then I have regular milk right here, and 2/3 of the regular milk, some oil, about 1/4 cup of oil, and so I'm just setting everything that I've already done to the side. Vanilla extract, how much? I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That was a little more. It's okay. It's extra flavor, so it's fine. Alright, put that to the side. Now we're gonna put some lemon juice. Just like 2 squeezes. Okay, that's. And now we're just gonna mix. Whisk this up. So now we're going to do the dry ingredients. And I have this like strainer-ish, I forget what it's called. But yeah, we're going to do that. So we're going to add flour, about 2 cups of flour. So Okay, so this is called the sifter. Then we're gonna add some sugar. Probably like a half a cup of sugar. So this is a half a cup. Or even less since you put like syrup on there. So this is about a fourth a cup of sugar that I'm putting. Yeah, that's okay. More than enough. And now we're gonna do a dash of salt. So I have pink Himalayan salt. I'm just gonna put a dash. It comes out thin, so that's why I twisted it so many times. And we got the baking powder. This is so important. This is what makes them so fluffy. So I'm gonna use the half tablespoon. Probably like, yeah, so probably 1 whole tablespoon. Alright, so that's all the ingredients. So now we're just we're gonna sift this in. So I'm just gonna mix it up with a spoon just to try to like incorporate all the dry ingredients so it's like evenly incorporated. But we're gonna mix it up anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. But this also is helping like sift it. So as I stir it, it's like sifting in. There's like little salt on the bottom and just dumped in. All right, so now we're just gonna whisk it up. And let's hope all my ingredients, hope it's an equal amount of ingredients for the consistency that I need. So I'm mixing it up right now, it's a little thick, which is okay. All we gotta do is just add a little milk, so it's kind of thick right now. So we're gonna add a little bit of milk. And let's see how this is. This is looking really good. So it's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's a happy medium. So now we're gonna heat up our pan and cook them, and you can see how fluffy they are. Alright, so we're over here at the stove. We're gonna put it on 3. Yeah. So we're gonna let that heat up. Okay, so we're back. The pan is heated up. We're gonna heat some pan and just spread the pan. So you can see that there's bubbles that are forming on the top. So that means it's ready to be flipped. So let's flip it. just gonna make a few more and time to eat. So this is how the pancakes turned out. They look so good. And for the syrup, I like to use a mixture of butter and syrup. I just put butter and syrup in a cup and then put it in the microwave and melt it so it's nice and hot. Okay, so this is how the pancakes turned out. Looks so delicious. I just want to say thank you for watching until the end, and if you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you liked it, and if there's something different that you added that you like better about it, you know, let me know. I would love to try it as well. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye.